Welcome. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through message prioritization on consumr.ai, a value proposition testing tool built to answer one strategic question: which message actually moves your audience? Before you commit to a brand campaign or sales pitch, message prioritization tells you exactly which narrative to lead with. Everything starts here, in the Calendar tab. Think of it as your research command center: past campaigns, live surveys, all in one unified view. To kick things off, click New Events in the top right. This is your launchpad into the full consumr.ai suite. Quant or qual, whatever the method, it begins here. Hit New Research Study, and you'll see two paths. Quant, for the hard numbers you can defend in a brand strategy review. Qual, for the motivations and emotions sitting underneath consumer behavior. Today, we're going quant. Quant survey is built for validation. It's what you reach for when you need data that holds up in a brand strategy deck or executive review. Inside Quant, you'll find the concept testing family. 3 tools, each built for a different challenge. Creative testing for ads and packaging, product testing for product ideas, and message prioritization, which is what we're here for today. Click Start Study to launch your message prioritization evaluation. This tool takes the guesswork out of choosing your strongest narrative, ranking value propositions on resonance and believability. Every study starts with audience selection, and this is where AI twins come in. Segmentation is really the foundation of everything that follows. Whatever you're positioning for, you can map your study to the exact consumer profile that matters for your brand. Click Check Distribution and you'll see how your panel breaks down across consumer stages. It's a transparency check, making sure your sample reflects real category dynamics. The default distribution you see is modeled from category penetration and brand market share, so you're starting from a realistic baseline, not a blank slate, but you're never locked in. If your brand objective calls for something different, adjust freely. Stage filters let you zoom into the consumer stages that matter most. You can also build entirely custom distributions from scratch. This is where your messages meet structured evaluation. Drop in your taglines, positioning statements, brand promises, or full message variations. Test multiple value propositions side by side to see which ones resonate hardest with your target audience. And if you don't have messages ready yet, hit Recommend. It generates value proposition suggestions tailored to your company profile, category, and target segment. Now click Create Questions. This generates a research-grade survey instrument tailored to your messages. The recommended question sets are built on proven brand research frameworks, covering message ranking, believability, emotional resonance, and call-to-action strength. Or you can pull from a previously saved set in the dropdown. You have complete control over what questions fit for your survey or alter the ones that don't. Click into any question to edit the title, change the type, add or remove answer options, or set custom constraints. Hit Save, and the changes lock into your survey instantly. Make sure to save any new question sets to your library. Over time, these become an organizational asset. Once you hit Go, your study deploys where thousands of modeled respondents react to your messages in parallel. What used to take weeks of message testing now happens in under 30 minutes. You can monitor progress live from the Calendar or Knowledge tab, and you'll get an email notification the moment your report is ready. When the report lands, you'll see a clear ranking of every message tested, with believability scores, resonance breakdowns, and side-by-side comparisons. The strongest narratives rise to the top, instantly. Use the action bar to quickly switch between insights, summaries, and detailed transcripts, and notice the bulb icon. That gives you suggested next steps for the study. And if you want to dig deeper, the built-in filters let you slice results by age, gender, region, or consumer stage. Surfacing segment-specific message preferences that aggregate data tends to hide. That's really the whole point of message prioritization. replacing gut feel positioning calls with validated consumer evidence. Brands lead with their strongest narrative, sharpen their value propositions, and build campaigns on the messages consumers actually find compelling. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.